Hello, I'm in a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500, and today I'm going to show you how to add or remove phone devices that are connected. So first you're going to want to start the vehicle, and then we'll just wait a moment for all this to load. So you want to be in this phone menu. So if you say you're in something else, you'll click in here. Should you have this prompt and you need to connect a new one, you can just hit yes and then walk through those commands with your Bluetooth on your phone. Otherwise, from here we can go to settings and then paired phones, or you can add another device here as well. But say we've got these listed here. Say we don't want this iPhone for some reason, we just hit that little symbol and then we can delete the device, or sync to it if we choose as well. But we're going to delete in this case and hit yes. And that's it. It saves your preference, and then you can reconnect the phone later again if you need to through just the prompt screens for that. But anyways, and again, here's another add device button, so you could do it this way as well. And then just walk through the prompts it prompts you through. But I hope this tutorial was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.